these are the Rigid D-Series pods. This is an SAE lighting configuration. This is with the yellow cap on. You can unclip this yellow cap. I ran this is the Zroadz bracket for the A-pillar bracket. At the time, Rigid did not make an A-pillar bracket. I just seen they do now. They just released it. I may change these in the future to the Rigid brackets, but for right now the Zroadz works okay, and it is on the side of the antenna, and there's a nice distance there. You have to slightly tilt these up to open the hood, I noticed, very slightly. They slightly rub on the hood, which is fine. You just have to tilt them up. You can adjust them with the Allen key. The wiring just runs at the back here underneath this. It's very easy to install. Yeah, the light output is really great. I like the driving configuration. These aren't floods, so you can actually run with them on. Haven't had one person flash me, which is nice. We got them wired into the auxiliary 1 switch, and worked really great. So great setup. Highly recommend. So the light wiring is wired right down here, and we got it tucked behind this panel very nicely, so there's no wires showing. This one runs down here, and on the Tremor, this is where the upfitter switch harness is, down here. So it's directly wired into here to the ground. Very clean setup. No wires anywhere. I had the Baja Design A-pillar lights on order, and they were taking a little bit too long. I know they said 3 to 6 months wait, and going into winter I wanted to get some more lighting going on, so I did go with the Rigids instead, but the plan was to go with the Baja Designs. But I've really liked the Rigid product. I've ran them on my Raptor. They were great lights. Very happy with them, and I'm planning on maybe adding a few more. Just location is very difficult on these trucks. There's not a lot of spots to put them. If there's any ideas, definitely let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, I really would like to get some down here. I do notice Rigid has released the fog light kit as well, but you lose the really nice LED fog lights from the factory, which I don't know if I'm a fan of that. They don't look as nice with them in, but yeah, let me know what you think and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.